There goes Sawyer, riding with no training wheels. Oh my gosh, Sawyer. Give me a thumbs up. All right.
Hi Mom, I just my bike without training wheels.
All right. He's doing fantastic. Oh. Slow down too much?
Jameson, I'm so proud of you. You're doing so good. Family bike ride. So you're doing so good. Jameson. Hi, little friend. You're doing so fantastic. Holy cow.
Go run!
Cray cray. Are you stuck? I think Jameson's coming to help brother. All right, good helping. Love, how blessed are we to have these boys?
We are immensely blessed.
Oh, my hiccups.